So this is just a short little clip of me using developer to lighten the front patch of the hair because I wanted the front to be a little bit lighter overall whenever I decided to bleach the hair. So I'm just putting 40 volume developer and then I'm going to let it sit overnight in this clip. And remember guys, whenever you're using developer, please, please, please always wear gloves. People think it's the bleach that burns, but it's actually the developer that has the fumes and literally burns your skin. So now at this point, I am deciding to bleach the wig. As you can see, I used the Quick Blue Lightning Powder and 40 volume developer. And I'm just going to mix it and just put it all over the hair. I did do certain pieces first, certain smaller pieces first so they could start bleaching first. And then I went back and put developer and bleach on the rest of the hair. So that way I could have some pieces that were lighter than others. Overall, I left the bleach in for too long, unfortunately, and I did overprocess the hair. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Annette to me. Everybody calls me Timmy, though. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about this hair that I have in my head and my experience with this Ghost Bond Supreme glue. See that? Boom. See, I wore this hair to Essence Festival. So I'm going to insert some pictures of me from when I was in New Orleans so you guys can see how it looked then. But, you know, I was like, it's going to be hot and sticky and humid. And I don't want to just rely on Gots to be glued, you know. So I don't usually do the whole hair glue thing because I've had bad experiences in the past where I went to hairstylists and they glued my hair and it was really aggressive and they ripped all my edges out. It looked like I got a Brazilian wax on my edges, which is just unacceptable. Anyways. So I decided to do it myself this time. Basically what I did with it was I put the glue, because you know how some of y'all, I know y'all can't see my edges right now, but I have that type of hairline where like it's like this and then it does this and then it comes back. So you got like some baby hairs right here, right? But then you don't got none right here or whatever. So when it's kind of low on the sides, you know, sometimes some stylists would just put glue like right on your edges, which is like terrible. So what I did was I just put glue like right here. And then the part where it was my edges, where there's still like some of my edges at, I didn't put glue there. But then I put glue like on the sides. And then for the part where my edges were, I just sprayed Got to Be glue on there. And it worked out pretty well for me. I was shocked. This glue, it held on. Okay, it was hot. And especially ever since I gained more weight, I'd be getting hot easily. I'd be sweating. And you know, it was mad humid in New Orleans. And this glue right here, not the regular Ghost Bond, but this Supreme Ghost Bond, it did its job. It did a really great job. It says on here that it's meant for oily scalps, high humidity, and heavy perspiration. And believe me, all of those things happened while I was in New Orleans. And the wig didn't come up at all. If anything, it might have started feeling a little bit loose and by the end of the night. And all I had to do was put my scarf on and go to bed. And when I woke back up, that thing was like stuck to my head. Like if I yanked it, I was yanking my whole head like, you know. So it did a really great job. And then actually after I came back from New Orleans, because I was only supposed to put it on for the weekend, just for like 4 days. So I just wanted it to hold until I got home. I was going to take it off and throw on my work wig and go. But actually, I kind of ended up going to the hospital for like 4 days. And that's a whole nother long story. Ain't gonna talk about it. But I will say, while I was in the hospital, they ain't got no head wrap, no scarf, no nothing for me to put on my head. And I'm gonna tell you right now, they didn't matter. This wig stayed on while I was in the hospital. This glue stayed on while I was in the hospital. 4 days. no kind of products, no kind of scarf to put on my head. It just stayed. You know, I felt like I looked like a hot mess. Everybody kept saying, oh my God, her hair is so beautiful. And I'm just like, okay, thank you. You know, however, I did take it off as soon as I got home because I don't like the glue thing to be on. I don't like anything to be sitting on my hairline for too long because I noticed that when it does, it just irritates my scalp. And then that's how I end up with the alopecia and the hair loss and the thin ass edges, you know. Basically, I made this wig myself. I made it on a sewing machine. It's a lace frontal, and the hair that I have is actually Vietnamese hair. I actually traveled to Vietnam back in 2018 to visit some hair factories there because I do have a hair company that I plan on launching soon. So yeah, this hair, I kind of put it through some things. Like, it's been through a lot. Like, it's been left out, it's been beat up, it's been abused, it's been over processed. What you guys are looking at right now, I just put the wig back on so I could pretty much make this video for y'all. I did just come back from a pool party, so this is all day been at the pool party throwing that ass hair. Drink spilled on my hair by my friend and everything. Hair. This is the results. I think it still looks pretty decent. I used ghostbond glue this time. The ghostbond glue, I like it. I mean, I do have a little bit of lifting, as you guys can see. But that's after being gone all day and being at the pool and this sweating and dancing a lot. So, I mean, it works for me. I also sew an elastic band on the inside, so that helps a lot as well. And I didn't really do a lot of baby hairs. If I get really close, y'all can see. If I get super close, you can see the lace. But I do think I did a pretty good job. See, look, you see some of my edges right there. That's why I don't put glue over there. But I think it's a pretty good tint. That the way I tinted this was I used my NYX, this right here. This thing has been through the most. Also, what I did was, after I washed this wig, I put it on my mannequin head and I put some mousse on it, and I put a scarf right on this part of it. I tied the scarf on it while I was on the mannequin head and let it set overnight, and it just automatically was snatched like this when I woke up. So I didn't use a hot comb or anything. Like, it just literally was like this when I woke up. And this is pretty much like the, I guess, kind of wave pattern that it has, because I was pretty lazy today. I didn't want to really do much. I did have some curls in the front or whatever, you know, just like to make it go away from my face. I did. I'm going to insert a picture of it. But what had happened was, while I was at the pool, you know, people were splashing water. Then I was dancing with my homegirl, and then she was getting all wild. And then she was like, and just threw a whole drink in my weave. And I was like, Trick, you just, you know, so I'm over here yelling at my friend, and she yelling at me like, calm down, bitch. And I'm just like, just breathe. It's just weave. It's not that serious. It's okay. I really, really dyed the crap out of this hair. Like, and it was like bleach. So that's probably why it's dry. But this lesson's learned. I'm still learning. You know, y'all are probably wondering about my look. I do my own eyebrows. Like, I use a razor to do them. And I really, really don't know much about makeup. If you like this look, just comment and let me know. And I will do like a whole video. But anyways, guys, like and comment. Please subscribe, because I will be posting more. There's more to come. There'll be more of me. And thank you for watching.